Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just taping this cat with his head in his bag over here. Look at this. He's really into everything over here.
I had a lot of pain as far as my physical health. My body was telling me,
look, he's holding the bag in his little paws. Isn't this cute?
Joe's treatment plan was replacing the teeth with dental implants from ClearChoice.
And he's also holding my phone wire here too.
It's given me my health back. There's an amazing life out there if you do something.
Look at this cat.
Now.
This is a company town, and the business is incarceration. 20,000 lawsuits.
Rambo.
And I'm their link.
In the bag?
I'm the mayor of Kingstown. Mayor of Kingstown. New series now streaming exclusively on Paramount Plus.
You're gonna die in that bag. You know that? You're all twisted, Ramby. You're all twisted here with everything. Huh? Look at you. Look at the... You're gonna get a lot of views, I hope. Please like and subscribe to my channel.
Just in case anything comes up.
Your wife doesn't mind.
Well, she knows the drill.
My wife knows the drill too, but she still minds.
He's just
When the war's over, I plan on
loving it.
spending the rest of my life making it up to her.
Get some rest. Good night.
Well, guys, I gotta rescue him now. So, thanks for watching. Please like, hit subscribe, tell your friends, and just hit share on all social medias. Thank you. Bye-bye for now.